Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's day 2 from Kushalnagar. Right now I just woke up and it's 6:32 in the morning, and I just now woke up and I just got freshed up. And today they have given me some plans, that is we'll be going to Raja Seat and many other places in Madikeri. Probably it will be something around 30 kilometers or 35 kilometers from this point. Forget all this. Look at the view here. Right now everything is all set and I'm leaving to Mandalpatti right now. I have to switch off the lights. Look at the view, guys. Everything you can see is white, but through naked eye it's so awesome. Temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. If you can see that, it's 17 degrees. ಹೋಗ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮಂದಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೊಂದು ರಬಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ, ಬಾಯ್. It's freaking cold. Hey. Oh my god. So time is right now 7 AM and temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. I have finished 234 kilometers. Please note down, let me check what is the distance between Mandalpatti to this spot. Mandalpatti is nothing but Mugilpet, which you have seen in all those films, in Kannada films especially, like Mungar Malay and all. Look at that, look at that, look at that view, guys. Amazing, is it? But it's freaking cold. Oh man, look here, just look at this. It's full of fog. 43 kilometers. Oh my god. I shall have to switch on the fog lights. So my Google map is showing 1 hour 27 minutes. I can't see anything in the front. How to drive in here? Just look at the National Highway 275. Just look at that. I'm just traveling the Ghat roads. That is really enjoyable. Just look at that view, man. Just look at that. Ooh. GoPro, you have to improve. It's too cold. I have not yet stopped for the coffee. I'm still going, but I'm driving in the Ghats, so I just wanted to show you how the view is all about, and it's fantastic. The roads are also good. I'm not facing any kind of issue in the roads. Roads are even good. So here I can go Abe Falls, Somwarpet, Malai Falls, Hannamakere. Guys, look at the spots. This is the old bridge, I believe, but this is truly fantastic. Nice off-roading, man. Nice off-roading to my bike. I just don't want to show you right now, but I'll show you once I reach to that destination. I'm just 5.9 kilometers away from the destination which I have to go. Yeah, I'm going properly. I think so. Now off-roading starts. No, a small bit. Crazy, man. This is really crazy. This is awesome. Look at the view. Man, guys, it's totally mind-blowing. It's totally stunning. This is the place how I have to go. Mandalpatti. To reach to that point. Sir? Ticket, huh? Okay. Full off-road, na? Jeep best or bike logo best? Huh. ಜೀಪಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 1000 ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ? ಓಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್? ಒಬ್ಬನೇ? ಓಕೆ. ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ. ಓಕೆ. Guys, look at this. I'm going on my bike itself. Look at that. And that's my state. Can you just see that? It's full of off-roading. God, even this vehicle is touching. They're gonna charge 1,000 rupees per jeep, so it's better if you are coming in the bike. Just look at that. Look at that. Give me 5 minutes. I'll go to that point itself and I'll show it to you. Beautiful, isn't that? I'm still going up.
this is going crazier than I ever thought. Baap re baap. Okay, this is Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, from here you have got some concrete roads. Oh, that's the viewpoint. Just look at that. Oh my god. Man, my hands are freaking aching like anything.
So I've reached the destination. I've just stopped my bike and I've left my bike there. It's not visible to you. So you have to climb up there in order to go to the viewpoint. They charged me 40 rupees in order to enter here. So I'm just climbing upside. Guys, I'll show you the view in 3, 2, 1.
Right now I'm leaving from this point. If you're coming before 8 o'clock, you will have a wonderful view. Do come early itself in order to have a very good view. But if you're late, sorry, you will have the view what I've got. And it's getting hotter as the time goes. Let's look at the view right now. And I just had some snacks and I'm leaving to Kotabi Falls right now, which is very near to this Mandalpatti, or which is also called as Mugilpet. So I have half a tank of fuel left, but I'm pretty afraid whether I'm gonna get the petrol or not. Fuel stations are very less over here. Look at this. Awesome, man. God's creation is awesome. There is something here. That is what the most happening part. Adena? Okay. It's not that great. Ishtana view though? Ishtana view? That waterfall was just like, you know, a waterfall which is coming from some pipeline or something like that, but that was not great. This is not the time to come to this point. They just told me that it's very good in June, July and August. So I'm going to Abbey Falls right now. I would have visited from that destination itself. Right now I'm entering Abbey Falls. Like I have to park my bike there, I think so, and I have to come back.
Guys, I'm just going towards Abbey Falls. This is how we go. We have to walk some 500 meters or something like that. I'm walking from past 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be showing the view in 3, 2, 1.
tiring, so we have to take some steps. So I have climbed down. I'm coming up. Almost 64 GB of the data is finished. I have to go to my room, then save all it to my hard disk, then I have to put it into my GoPro. Guys, I did not go to my room. My Omkareshwara temple was near to me, so what I thought was, first I'll visit that, then we'll go back to the room. So this is how it looks. It is so beautiful. Just look at this. Guys, I just reached the room now and I just got freshed up, and my lunch is ready. Let's go have the lunch. To climb up. So this is where my lunch is ready.